Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by silencing what you can immediately. Press mute and watch the on-screen confirmation. Once done, switch inputs, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, TV tuner, to find whether sound comes from the TV or an external device because the fix differs. Next, unplug any soundbar, optical cable, or headphones and try audio again. This isolates the problem. Make sure your remote batteries work. Sometimes commands fail. Then open the audio menu to prepare for permanent changes. Now you move into the configuration. Go to Audio Settings and set speaker select to off or to external because disabling internal speakers prevents any sound. Then choose the correct audio output, optical, HDMI ARC, or Bluetooth, matching the connected device. This tells the TV where to send audio. Turn off sound enhancements and HDMI CEC if the TV keeps routing audio back to its speakers. Update firmware if available, since software bugs can block audio routing changes and cause unexpected sound. Finish by power cycling both the TV and any connected gear so new settings take effect. After that, confirm the TV stays silent. If the issue persists, do a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, this clears apps and logins, so sign back in afterwards. For troubleshooting, plug in wired headphones to see whether the jack still outputs sound. If it does, the internal speaker hardware could be at fault. If cables look frayed, replace them. Damaged HDMI/optical often causes routing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.